Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing episode 3 of Pet Parade part 2, and I just thought I would say it quickly. I named this little guy Mr. Bones, and this guy Boney, and this girl Zozo Zombie. Well, that's her name, but yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I also named a dog. This was not a name suggestion, as in no one suggested it. I just wanted to name it that, so I got Oreo, whatever you say. I call him Oreo, but say what you want to say. Say it how you want to say it. You get what I mean. So, I haven't recorded this, I recorded this once already, so this is the second take, but, I already added Siamese part, because they commented a really nice comment, saying that they, love that video with my meet my in-game pets, I think it was it? Yeah, I believe it was. It was the one that was 6 days ago, episode 2. Or something, 6 or 7, I don't know, can't really remember, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what we're going to be doing in this video, because there's not really much to do, because I basically addressed it all in the last video. Not addressed it, but did all the things that needed to be done, and we're gonna go on an adventure. I don't really like going really high up in the sky, but as I've said, well, as I haven't said in this video, but I'm pretty sure I've said in other videos, if I go into survival and drop down basically like this, I can basically die in the game, and I'll spawn right here in this house. So if I ever get really lost and I can't remember the way, that's how we do it. Also, I really want to make a stable, because I want an actual horse. So I'm just going to use this thing that I think I made. Did I make it in the last video? I can't really remember. It was meant to be for weird creatures. Also, yes, I am wearing a hat. I got it from a skeleton, and yeah. Anyway, I should get a pet polar bear. No, I don't want to. Okay, what thing is a weird pet? Because I need to get a mule, because I want to get a mule super bad, because if you well, you probably wouldn't have. Oh my gosh. And we'll get a mule as well to keep it company. Name suggestions in the comments. Anyway. Sorry about the coughing, I'm still ill a bit. Let's check on the buddies, see how many we have. We still have quite a few. I don't really know if I should really be keeping that many, but I am, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of extend my house a little bit, because this is my new house and it's got 4 dogs living in it, so we might as well do that. I'm gonna have to get rid of half of my stuff, so we don't need that, we don't need that, we don't need that, 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 need that, don't need that. I'm just gonna be sitting here for ages doing I don't need this, I don't need that for ages. Well, if you're seeing this a little bit after me uploading it, then you've probably seen my video where I play on Warcraft. It was fun to record. I recorded it, I recorded it, and it was fun. I like recording. I like recordings. Yeah. Okay. So the only reason why is because I was preparing to break this, which would have ended in disaster. So I'm gonna remove my bed, and I'm gonna remove this bit, because I want to make it. Anyway, we're gonna have to do this before night because I don't want to end up having to like. Also, we'll have to like tile the floor again. I love tiled flooring, and I might have like a little room just for my. I have to do this roof again. Gosh. Oh, this bit at the back does not have to have it. I declare that it's not gonna have it because I'm not doing that. This is gonna be like the bit where the animals have to sit. They have to sit here. Okay, guys, this is like my big house now. Cause I don't know if you know this, but the thing that started this place was like this. My haunted house kind of thing. It wasn't really haunted though, so I feel like it's not haunted anymore because all of the things are. I want to have like a skylight here, so we're gonna have a skylight. There's a skylight. Ta-da! I'm done. My house is done. I'm just doing some bigger windows over here. Just so that we can let a little bit of light in. I don't know. I don't really know what. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. Yay! 6 minutes is a good number. 10's my favorite number though. Oh, I guess 11 maybe? I don't know. Can't really remember. Well, I probably could, but I'm not gonna right now. Okay. Okay, what do we get? We need quartz and we need black concrete powder, I believe it was. Black concrete, not concrete powder. Don't listen to me. I'm telling lies. I tell lies. Anyway, guys. Also, if you would like your name in the Goblet of Fire Pond, then comment whatever name you want added, and I shall add it if you are that lucky person that wins. Well, it's not really a competition, but it is a competition because, like, you have to win it, basically. You have to win it, and then when you win it, by the way, I'm not gonna be adding people, like, twice, so you can't, like, try and get yourself added 2 times, because that won't work. I like how my house is being extended, and I need to get my bed ready right now, because if I were to die right now, if this was survival, and I were to die, which wouldn't probably happen, but let's get out our torches. I don't know, how did I get that iron thing? Dun, 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 dun. Is that like, I'm gonna put some glass there, because like, it makes it kind of like some magic at all. Anyway, let's add our bed in. Also, tomorrow, hopefully I'll make like a Quacktopia video, and hopefully an Animal Jam video, because I don't know if you've been noticing, but like the past like 3 or something videos on my channel, they've just been Minecraft. Comment down below if you want more Minecraft and more Animal Jam, or if you even want some Mushy Monsters coming back. And I gave a sneak peek of me doing Bin Weebles. Comment down below if you want that. We'll do black bed. I like black. Black, blue, white, and black, blue, and white, and red, and grey are my favourite colours. If you didn't know that, which you probably already did, but hopefully you didn't, because if you didn't, then you just learned something new about me. Whoop, whoop. Doop. I'm just getting some chests in here, by the way. Anyway, the doggies. So we got Lexi. Get to come sleep up with me. Lexi! Oh my gosh, this dog. Doggy! I can tempt her with rotten flesh, probably. Good girl. Yeah, you sit on my chest. Okay, anyway. No. Rosa. Bella. Wait. Oh no! Oh, why did we do that? No, but I now have a little puppy. Puppy. I remember name suggestions. I might name this something. Like Biscuit. Oh my gosh, that would be a cute name. I'm gonna name this Biscuit. No name suggestions, it's Biscuit. His name is Biscuit. Her name. Sorry. I'm gonna make it go. And we'll give her a little brown collar. Because chocolate biscuits. Duh. Do you still have a red collar? Yes, you do. It changed now, good. You'll probably be grown up by the time I get here. Next episode. I don't know how long this episode should be, really. Let's name it. Oh, should we name it Cookie or Biscuit? Cookie is more American. I don't really want to name it Cookie. Biscuit. I'll just name it Cookie for now. Not Biscuit. I should name like one tea and one crumpet. Tea and crumpet. Oh my gosh, that would be like the cutest thing. And then have like another little doggy be like Biscuit or something. I shall sleep. We have completed another episode. Okay, so next episode will definitely be like the actual episode. It won't just be like part 1 or something. It'll be episode 4. And also, I'm gonna try and set a like goal. Can you guys do a like goal for me? I am gonna set a like goal for today. 5 likes. Can we get to 5 likes? Please. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here because it's probably gonna take ages to upload because the last one did. Anyway, remember to smash that like button right in the face and subscribe. Comment down below. Name suggestions for this little. No, it's this. Did I name it? I named it Cookie. For the other dog and our 3 mushrooms, and remember to leave a name so that you can try and be in my thing. It can be your Animal Jam username, it can be your Minecraft username, it can be like your YouTube username. Any name that you want put in my thing, and if you are chosen, you will get to put it in here. Yeah. Eva out.